I want to share with you a very simple tip when selling NFTs. It's very simple. And there is a big mistake I believe that many people are making, which is costing them lots of money. And that is when they go ahead and they sell their NFTs, they go choose the price, and then for the duration, they leave it as is at 1 month or even longer. And what they should be doing, in my opinion, is selecting duration, clicking on the date range and making it 1 day or 3 days. And I'm going to tell you why setting it at 1 month or longer can be problematic and how people have lost money in the past. So let's say I go ahead and set this NFT for 1 Ethereum and I keep it at a 1 month duration, and then I forget about it. Maybe 2 or 3 weeks later, all of a sudden this NFT project takes off. It's now going at 2, 3, 4 Ethereum, but I had this old listing that I did not cancel, and now my NFT was sold for under its value. Or on the opposite end, I listed an NFT for 1 Ethereum thinking that I was going to sell it, and then the floor dropped and it was just sitting there 2 weeks, 3 weeks later, and then it starts picking back up. And if I'm not paying attention, I may miss out and I might get a lower value for the NFT. Or even if I am paying attention, I may not want to cancel it, right? This is a big problem with Ethereum NFTs. It costs money to cancel a listing. So you have many people that list their NFTs for a long period, but instead of delisting it, they want to avoid these fees, so they just don't cancel it. And next thing they know, their NFT is sold for a price that they did not actually want to sell it for. But when you set a duration of 1 or 3 days, the expiration will expire on its own. You don't have to actually pay a gas fee. And for the most part, when people list NFTs, it's because they want to sell it. Of course, there are the exceptions of people that list it at a very high price just for fun or because they know no one will buy it immediately. But when people list their NFTs, they expect to actually sell it. So list it at 1 or 3 days for the price that you want to sell it at, which you think someone will buy. And then if it doesn't, it will expire and you don't have to pay a gas fee to cancel the order. And then the other question is, well, don't I have to pay again to list it? And the answer is no, because when it comes to NFTs, you give permission for an entire collection. So once you list 1 NFT from a collection, that first time you will pay a gas fee. But after that, you won't pay a gas fee. So let's say, for example, you list an NFT at 1 Ethereum, you set it to 3 days, and you're hoping to sell it. But in those 3 days, no one actually buys it for the price that you set. Then the item will be removed from listing and you will not pay a fee for it. And then whenever you want in the future, you can go ahead and list it again without an extra gas fee. So simple tip, set your NFT listings for 1, 2, 3 days. In my opinion, do not set them for any longer. I hope this video helped. Have a great day. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.